first thing that we're going to need before we insert an integrated circuit into a breadboard is to prepare the pins or the legs. Now if I hold this up the camera, we should be able to see that they are parallel and they're at right angles to the body of the chip, which is ideal. However, there's a problem. They used to be inserted by machine before we got to modern surface mount, and they come in these packages here. This is just a short one, and they are splayed out. The legs are actually too wide. If I take one out of the package, you might be able to see that the legs are actually splayed. Now you wouldn't be able to insert it directly into a breadboard. If you did try it, it would be really fiddly. I'm lucky, being an electronic engineer, when we put loads of chips in, we've got one of these machines. So you just take it with its splayed legs and you just push it through there, and those wheels, and you can do as many as you like really quickly. Just put your finger on and push it through, and away it goes, and it comes out perfectly formed. However, you won't have one of those in the domestic environment. So how can we do this at home? Well, there are no everyday objects that I can find that are exactly the right width. So this method actually works. If you place it down like that with the four legs on the table and very, very gently hold it either side, you can press down and push it forward. It's hard to see, very hard to see on the video, but I'm simply supporting the legs and pushing the body of the chip forward, and turn it over and do the same thing. Hold it. Can we see? Just push so that all the legs go at once, and hopefully they will be parallel enough to be able to insert. I may have overdone that a little bit, so you could use a lollipop stick or something else to pull them back, ease them back. When you think it's good enough, we can think about placing it on the breadboard.